In 1967, at the 13th General Conference of the International Committee, they have had a big question. How long is a second? Well, at that time, when the precise measurement of a second didn't exist, it could be a swing of a pendulum, a tick of a clock, and how long you count one. And in human history, people used unique calendars to count unique time that mostly tracked the steady march of the moon. Actually, the second we know today was after the Gregorian calendar, where a day is a Earth spinning around its axis the whole way round. But when people have to travel around the globe and connect with each other, this is when atomic clock come in. An atom has both negatively charged atoms and a positively charged nucleus. So when you shine something with an energy, for example, light, onto the negatively charged atom, you can create a little bit of vibration that can create something like a ticking pendulum. And since the atomic property has the unchanging law of physics, it can take a steady amount of times in a second. And this is how the atomic clock works. Now the biggest question of atomic clocks is whether to choose a normal atom or a special propertied atom or whatever atom in the world. But the scientists has all agreed on several terms. A long-living atom, which means that the atom has to live for a long time with steady lifespan. And reliable quantum spin, which makes it easier for us humans to measure and easier to calculate the time. And it has to vaporize, which makes it easier for us to measure exactly how much times it can take in a second. And the winning atom is cesium-143, which is the atom all around the world people are using right now. So the scientists have calculated the time divided from 360 days divided by 24 divided by 60 and 60 again to find out that exactly 1 second an atom can take 9,192,631,720. And right now, people all around the world and beyond the world are using atomic clocks for their measurements, all thanks to a technology milestone, the invention of an atomic clock.